Have you ever thought about exploring some of the most isolated and dangerous places in the world? Imagine visiting spots where isolation and risk come together in extraordinary ways. In this video, we'll take you to some of the most mysterious and hazardous locations on Earth. We'll explore the quiet Siwa Oasis in Egypt, the freezing Alert in Canada, and the far-off Tristan da Cunha in the South Atlantic, among others. Each of these places has its own unique story and challenges. So let's get started and discover these incredible and risky destinations. 5. Siwa Oasis, Egypt's hidden gem. Siwa in Egypt is one of the most isolated oases in the world, possessing its own distinct language and culture, despite being part of Egypt. This remote oasis requires a grueling 9 to 12-hour bus journey from Cairo through challenging terrain to reach. Siwa has seen a surge in tourism thanks to social media, particularly Instagram, where its stunning salt pools have gained popularity. The pools contain so much salt that the water is extremely clear, and you don't need to move a muscle to float, creating an almost surreal visual effect. Siwa is also known for its ancient ruins, including the Temple of the Oracle, where Alexander the Great is said to have consulted the oracle. The combination of natural beauty, historical significance, and isolation makes Siwa a unique and captivating destination. 4. Alert, the edge of the world in Canada. Alert in Canada is the northernmost continuously inhabited place on Earth. Home to a military base, Alert is located 800 kilometers from the nearest community, requiring at least an hour's flight to reach the closest city. The harsh conditions include 24 hours of sunlight in the summer and complete darkness in the winter, with temperatures dropping below -50 degrees Celsius. Residents must be medically screened for depression or alcoholism before their arrival, and alcohol consumption is strictly limited. The community is primarily composed of military personnel and scientists conducting research in the Arctic region. Life in Alert is a testament to human resilience and adaptability in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. 3. Tristan da Cunha, the world's most remote inhabited island. Tristan da Cunha, the most remote inhabited island group in the world, is located in the South Atlantic Ocean. Without an airport, reaching the island requires a 6-day voyage from Cape Town, and visitors must obtain permission from the island authorities. Despite its isolation, the island community thrives, with a population of around 250 people who are primarily engaged in farming and fishing. The island faced a significant challenge in 1961 when a volcanic eruption forced a temporary evacuation to England. The islanders returned when it was safe, demonstrating their strong attachment to their remote home. Tristan da Cunha's rugged landscape, unique culture, and self-sufficient community make it a fascinating and resilient place. 2. North Sentinel Island, a tribe untouched by time. North Sentinel Island, controlled by India, is home to a tribe that has lived in isolation for approximately 30,000 years. The island is notorious for its hostile reception to outsiders, as evidenced by the tragic death of American tourist John Allen Chow in 2018. Even nearby indigenous groups avoid the North Sentinelese, as their languages and cultures have diverged significantly over millennia. Several attempts to contact or study the North Sentinelese in the past ended in tragedy. The Indian government has since established a buffer zone around the island to protect both the tribe and potential visitors. North Sentinel Island remains one of the most mysterious and isolated places on Earth, with a people who fiercely protect their way of life. 1. Snake Island, Brazil's lethal enclave. Snake Island, or Ilha da Queimada Grande, in Brazil is considered one of the most dangerous places on Earth. The island is home to thousands of lancehead pit vipers, among the most venomous snakes in the world. These snakes are so venomous that a single bite can be fatal within an hour. Due to the high concentration of these deadly snakes, the island is off-limits to the public, with only scientists allowed to visit for the purpose of studying the snake's venom, which has potential medicinal uses. The island's isolation and the presence of such a large population of venomous snakes create a uniquely hazardous environment. Despite the dangers, Snake Island plays a crucial role in scientific research, particularly in the study of snake venom, highlighting the delicate balance between nature and human exploration. In conclusion, our exploration of the world's most isolated and dangerous places has revealed the extreme conditions and unique challenges faced by those who encounter them. From harsh environments to severe remoteness, these locations offer a stark reminder of the planet's diversity and the resilience of human spirit. Each site, with its own distinct set of obstacles, underscores the vast and varied nature of our world, highlighting both the beauty and the harsh realities that coexist. Are there any other remote or hazardous locations you think we should feature next? Share your thoughts in the comments below.